Hi, I'm Ryan with True Motorsports. The COVID-19 pandemic not only affected your households, but it also affected the True Motorsports household. During that time, we had to work from home and have our kids perform distance learning. Now, that distance learning only took up a couple hours out of the day, which left a lot of hours in the day that we had to fill. Well, here at the True Motorsports household, we decided to introduce the kids to shop class to fill that extra time. Now, with every shop class, you have to have a project. What we decided to do is we decided to take our Power Wheels and our new VooDoo Booster and put them together to make the ultimate drag racing Power Wheels. So, to give you a little bit of background on the Power Wheels that we have here at True Motorsports, we'll have to take a step back and give a little bit of a history lesson. So last year, Justin with Streetcar Takeover at the kickoff party had a Power Wheels drag race. I got this awesome idea to drag the Power Wheels out right before the event, the night before, and tried to get it running. Well, the battery in it was dead, so we had to grab a battery out of a lawnmower and slap that on, and we rushed the event there, and we put my 3-year-old on the Power Wheels. First time behind the wheel, she really didn't know what she was doing. And as you can see in this video, she's a little late on the light. But we're gonna work on that this year, and we're also gonna work on the Power Wheel.
I'm gonna point at you.
Kinsley.
Point at you and I'm gonna drop, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, go.
All right, team meeting. Everybody gather around. Team meeting, team meeting, team meeting. Gather around. Okay. Hey. All right, so we got to come up with a name for the Power Wheels and VooDoo Booster project. Every great race car has a name. You got cars here in the area like Apollo, Salty, you got Beater Bomb, you got cool names like that. So we got to come up with a cool name for the project. So, do you guys have any suggestions on any names? What do you think? What do you think it should be?
Sleeping Queens.
Sleeping Queen, okay, all right. What do you think? What do you think the name should be?
Shadow Booster.
Shadow Booster, okay. All right, what do you think the name should be?
Boosted Unicorn.
Boosted Unicorn.
I like it.
You like it?
I like that.
Okay. All right. All right, we're going to go with Boosted Unicorn. All right, let's go get to work. Okay, Leah, so tell me, what did we do with the batteries?
We traded out the 6-volt battery for 2 12-volt batteries that we put in the front and in the back, but we needed more weight in the back so that the tires would have more friction.
Okay, Lainey, so tell me about the first time that we took out the Jeep.
So, the first time we took it out, it was fine for a little bit. And then later we heard this popping sound, and we realized that this wheel couldn't take that much power. So we squished the wheel together and put a locking collar on it.
That's right. That way it can now handle the power that we're putting to it. Okay, Kinsley, so tell me about what we got going on here.
Okay, so this power button on, what's the, what color?
That's the green one that turns the power on, right?
So the green one turns the power on. Then when you put the red button on, then it turns orange.
And that's when you give it more power to the wheels, right?
Yep.
And then what happens when you get more power to the wheels?
Then you can go fast.
That's right. Okay, Kinsley, let's go ahead and turn the power on. Okay, good. We got power. Okay, now hit the gas. Hit the pedal with your foot. Okay, and we got movement. Lainey, how much current are we pulling?
6 amps.
So 6 amps from a 12-volt battery. Okay, Kinsley, keep the foot going. Now hit the red button. Hold it down. And there we go. Now we're pulling about 14, almost 15 amps of current. And you can tell the wheel speed picks up just by that extra voltage. So it goes from 12 volts to 18 volts for the motor. So we're pulling 15 amps out of the battery. Cool. Okay, Kinsley, you can go ahead and shut off the red button. And now the foot pedal. Okay, good. Okay, initial test run. Let's light it up. So, we had a great time creating the Boosted Unicorn. The kids got to learn about the True Motorsports product of the VooDoo Booster. They got to learn more about their power wheels, and they got to put the two together. And also, they got to work with their hands. That's a valuable trait that I think every child should learn, is be able to use their hands, be able to work on stuff, and use their imagination. So, if you're looking to up the speed on your power wheel, you can utilize the VooDoo Booster, which is designed for fuel pumps, but you could utilize it to boost the voltage to the motor on your power wheels. So, if you're looking for a voltage boosting solution for your power wheels, go check out VooDooBooster.com.